So good evening. I'm Dr. Arundhati. I'll help you out today. Tell me your name.
My name is Rishani Rathod.
Okay. What's your age?
60 years old.
Okay. Nationality?
Indian.
Okay. So today's date. So tell me what happened.
Actually, 1 week ago, I was shaving my armpit, and then 5 days ago, it was swelling and it was paining a little bit. Then 2 days ago, it was paining really bad, and then I got fever. It was 38 degrees. Then yesterday, I could not lift my arm and it's paining badly.
Okay. So you decided to come here after.
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So I'll just ask you a few questions about your patient history.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have gastric ulcer?
No.
Okay. Have you had any blood transfusions?
No.
Any allergies to the medication?
No.
Does your family experience any diseases?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you drink and drug abuse?
Yeah.
So do you have diabetes mellitus?
Oh yeah, since past 34 years.
Okay, 34 years. Any medications you use for that?
Yeah, insulin 3 millimeters per dose.
Okay. For how many years?
Since 3 years.
Okay, 3 years. So do you have TB, tuberculosis?
No.
Okay. Have you experienced any stroke?
No, not at all.
Myocardial infarction?
No.
Okay. Have you had any operations in the past?
Yeah, but it was 10 years ago.
What was it?
Appendicitis.
Okay, so you had an appendicitis operation.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for the information. It helps a lot. So, any additional complaints you have?
Yeah, a lot of them. I got fever,
Okay.
chills, weakness. I had a poor diet and not feeling thirsty at all.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we'll do the general inspection now. According to Glasgow glaucoma scale, we can see normal eye opening. So we'll give you 4 points for that. Then can you flex your arm? Okay, so I'll give you 6 points for verbal command. And can you tell me what is the date today? Date and day.
Today is 26th and today is Saturday.
Okay, so we can see a normal conversation. So I'll give you 6 points more. So here we can see 15 points. That means the patient is normal. We can see age is normal, skin is normal, mucus is normal according to the age, and structure is a little obese. And is there pain in your joints and bones?
No, not at all.
Okay, so that's normal. But so please just check your temperature with this thermometer.
Yeah.
So you just wait for some time. Okay, so right now you have a fever. You
Yeah.
have 38 degrees.
Yeah.
So next is objective examination of the respiratory system. I would like you to take deep breaths inside out. Keep taking continuous. Okay, we see equal movements on both sides, and the patient is breathing from his intercostal muscles and his abdomen. Okay, so let me just check your respiratory rate. Just breathe normally now. Okay. So the patient's respiratory rate is 18, which is normal. Chest looks fine. And let's just do percussion now. Please turn around. Puro turn. Okay. I'll just palpate your. Please just sit. Okay. I understand you have pain. I'll just palpate. Okay. Okay. So I see no dullness. There's proper sound. Could you please say 99 whenever I touch it?
99,
Yeah.
99,
Yeah.
99,
Mhm.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Okay. So are your normal sounds? so you have no respiratory issues. Let's just go on to the next part, which is objective information of cardiovascular system. I'll just measure your pulse rate. Okay, your pulse rate is normal. Let's just measure your blood pressure. Okay. You can take it out. No, wait. So your blood pressure is normal, which is 120/80, and your pulse rate is 80, which is good.
Thank you.
So moving on, overall your cardiovascular system is normal, and we'll move on to the next part. So now I'd like to examine your armpit. It will pain, but I'll have to.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll go.
Okay.
Ouch. Ow.
Okay.
Just slowly.
Okay. So is it paining here?
No, 1 second. It's spinning here.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
That's you.
Okay, so we need to run some tests, some CBC, blood panel, some glucose test, and I'll then know for what sure we can do next.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
As we see in the armpit area, there is even red patches. Pulse pressure is normal, pulse volume is normal, local heat is present. Capillary refilling time is 1 second. Blood pressure is 120/80. There is no muscle wasting, no varicose veins or trophic ulcer wounds. Hyperpigmentation is not there. Size of the left armpit is bigger, as we can see in edema. Tenderness is there. Function of the limb, cannot use his arm. Mass is 3 centimeter, consistency is hard, fluctuation test is positive, and the pulsation, it's a non-pulsating wound. Next is the preliminary diagnosis. We see hidradenitis or acne inverse. The CBC, WBC is high, band forms high, ESR is high, RBCs is no change. We see only glucose test and ultrasound of the left armpit. There was fluid present in the tissues, no X-ray, and exudate we see bacteria sense, that is pus. Patient is shifted to the inpatient department. We see bacterial infection in the left armpit in purulent stage, and pus localization is there. In treatment, we see position elevated arm splinting. Physical activity is not required. Diet is low calorie and low sugar. Exercise is limited for the arm. Medical therapy is aspirin 160 mg tablet once a day is to be given. Next, we see the lab results and temperature chart. We see that the goal is 36 normal, but we see the patient has 38-degree fever every time, and there's a staph infection. Orally the medication is given, and we have to take a swab of the wound for culture and sense in 2 days result. Hence at last we see the report of the surgery. The patient is prepped with anesthesia, general anesthesia. We make incision and control the bleeding. There is a debridement, yes. Draining is active and passive. Wound closure is stitching. We do not stitch the wound. Post-operative dressing is done each day till the wound goes in proliferative stage. After usually 7 to 10 days, we can do wound stitching.